Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to access accessibility shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy device. So did you know pressing the volume up and the side button opens Samsung's accessibility action menu, giving you instant access to tools like assistant menu, talkback, magnification, and interaction control. So this feature is essential for users who rely on accessibility options, but it's also useful for anyone who wants quick access to phone's control without navigating settings. So it ensures critical features are always available, even in an urgent situation. So let me show you how to set this, and then I'll show you how to use it. So here you're going to go ahead and open up settings, scroll down and find accessibility. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on advanced settings. From here, find side and volume up buttons. Tap on this. And now you can go ahead and set what actions you want to apply when the volume up and the side button is pressed. So here is an example. Let's go ahead and tap on color inversion, press home. So now when I go ahead and tap on the volume up and the side button, you'll see that the color has been inverted. Let's do it again one more time. This basically brings it back to what it was. Let's go ahead and try something else. Let's set extra dim. And it dims the screen for us. And it brings it back. So like this, you can go ahead and try all of these features here. So you can have the accessibility feature, talkback feature, magnifier, magnifications. Then there's hearing aid support, amplifying sound. There's a universal switch. There are some other ones as well here. So these are apps related. So if you want to access the link to window, DNA launcher, authenticator, if the apps are supported, you can go ahead and choose them. So as you can see, this gives you instant access to accessibility tools and supports one-handed and assisted use. This is faster than navigating menus and it improves the overall usability of your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that is how to use the volume up and power button to access accessibility actions on your Samsung Galaxy device.